stop every green screen kids. I'm here to announce every green screen kids here to stop going to other videos. Not the same as mine. Don't green screen kids. Green screen are bad, but don't green screen. If you want to be green screen kids, then like and subscribe. But if you don't want to, then stop being a green screen kids. Don't be green screen kids. Because if you're going to be a green screen kids, you know what will happen. A lot of people hate green screen kids, okay? Sorry. If someone's watching here right now, I'm here to announce everyone that green screen kids are not available on my account. If they are going to hack my account, I cannot play YouTube or cannot make any videos. And I'm trying to warn you everyone, if there's a green screen kids, you have to quit YouTube. It's for your own lives. Just download a new YouTube, okay? I promised. If there's a green screen kids on your account, delete your videos immediately. Because if you don't, they'll hack all of your videos in your account. Every shorts. Not complicated. Not my problem. It was their problem. I always green screen just once. Just please listen to me. I'm here to warn you guys. There's a lot of green screen kids uploading videos today since the YouTube was created, and now green screen kids started spreading in YouTube. So I warn you everyone, stop green screen kids, and let's stop green screen kids, everyone. If someone's green screen kids here, don't like and subscribe to my video, because if someone's don't green screen kids here, then like and subscribe. That's the one I was promised. Good luck, everyone. Fight green screen kids.